We've just walked into Suite 148 at Hotel de l'Europe, that traditional hotel in Amsterdam. Look at this. Lisette, could you do a walkthrough? Explain what it is I'm going to be seeing.
Of course. So this is a dress that Ronald van der Kemp made when we were celebrating a 125-year anniversary. And because of that, he said, when I have my suite ready, I want to make sure that it's going to be an art piece on the wall.
Did he wear it at the anniversary?
I did not, but somebody else did.
Oh, really?
Yeah. A gorgeous model was walking in it.
You could have done that so easily.
I could, maybe next time.
And look at this. Describe this, Lisette.
So here you actually come into the sanctuary of Ronald van der Kemp, where he created a blank canvas because all of his couture pieces are so colorful already that he also created an art piece on the ceiling based on already existing replicas that we had in the past. And once he said, what are you going to do with it? We said nothing. He said, I'm going to make a beautiful art piece in my room.
This is the bed. Where's the bathroom?
Bathroom is over here.
Oh.
So here you find the bathroom, and then on the left side you see a beautiful image that has been shot already before this became his suite. So there you could see already some models in his couture pieces.
It's incredibly clever because not a lot has been done structurally, has it?
Correct.
So the bathroom, you didn't have to do a lot.
Exactly.
I would be saying, yes, good lighting, etc., etc., lovely diptych toiletries, and none of those nasty pump pots. And this, okay, now we've got, this should be the sitting room. Yes, it's the sitting room.
Exactly. And Ronald van der Kemp loves to invite his friends, his clients over as well for any intimate dinners or invite them for an inspirational afternoon. This is why we invest into having a high table here as well, to bring people together, surrounded by the walls of fame. So everything that you see on the wall has been a couture piece created by himself.
What do people say when you allocate them this room, this suite, without warning them?
We don't.
We don't. So everybody who will be staying here is assigned to this room because they are interested literally in this room. But it's not something that we can put people in just like that. So it's